Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
Good morning, everyone, and happy Christmas Eve. Today, I've got a special treat for you. I am going to show you how to make some Whole30 compliant blueberry muffin bars with only 3 ingredients. And you don't even have to cook them. These are super healthy. Remember, I talk about whole foods a lot on this channel, and this is about as whole as you can get. And here's the 3 ingredients you're going to need for this. You're going to need some pitted dates, some whole cashews, and some dried blueberries. Now, I thought about using freeze-dried blueberries that I did myself, and some of you know I have a freeze dryer. If you have one of these, you can use your own blueberries and make it even more healthy, right? Because you know where the blueberries came from. This little guy's made by Harvest Right. They are expensive, but you know, I don't know. What's your health worth? We have a lot of apple trees in the backyard. So for us, it's definitely worth it. We freeze dry a lot of strawberries, bananas, apples, of course. We have figs in the backyard. And, you know, it just helps. It's an easy way to preserve food that you can use later on for recipes without having to worry about chemicals and processing. Okay? So I'm going to get to this. The only thing you really need is, you know, a pan, some parchment paper, and a food processor. And we'll get to this and I'll show you how this is done. By the way, I'm filming most of this video on a GoPro camera that is new to me, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys know that, you know, I use multiple different types of cameras. Sometimes I use my cell phone. Usually I use a very nice Canon SLR, but in this case, I'm just going to do the GoPro. I bought it basically for the beach. You know, it's waterproof, and when I go running and do my beach talk, which is coming very soon, by the way, I will use this camera. So away we go. I hope you enjoy this. Okay, guys, like I said, this is super easy. What you're going to need is just the blueberries. You need about a 1/4 cup. You need a cup of cashews. Use raw whole cashews. And pitted dates, there is about 1.25 cups. And I'm going to show you how I do this. Food processor and a pan with some parchment paper that is fitted to the bottom of it. So here we go. Okay, so to make these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the cashews. I'm going to stick them in the food processor, and then I'm going to pulse them until they're crumbly. So, okay, so we're going to pulse these just like this. Get really crumbly, and you can see, hopefully, let me take this lid off so you can see the crumbly. See how they're nice crumbled consistency. And then I'm going to add the dates and the dried blueberries to that. And I'm just going to blend them until a dough forms. And really, that's all there is to this. Again, this is 3 ingredients. This is Whole30 compliant. The dates and the blueberries bring the sweetness, and the nuts are very healthy for you. So I'm going to do this until I can form a dough. And then when that's all done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this into the bottom of this pan. And that's all you have to do. You can refrigerate these. You can freeze them, whatever you want. And the batter looks like this when it's done. And now, I'm going to move this down here so you can see it, hopefully. And I am going to just dump this into the pan. Move this aside. And then I'm just going to press this down onto the parchment paper, try to get it as even as I can. And if you want to, you can put these in the fridge before you cut into them, which is probably what I will do, because they're easier to cut. But guys, these are super healthy for you. I'm telling you. And you know, they're a lot like Lara bars, really. That's kind of what they mimic. But the thing is, you don't have to worry about any extra thing going into this. It's complete whole foods, right? You know what you put in. Cashews, dried blueberries, and some dates. That's it. So, you know, this can be a super good snack for you. You could even eat them for breakfast if you wanted to, but once you get them good and pressed down in here, you're done. And if that's not the easiest thing ever, I don't know what is. So when you're all done, they look like that. That's it. Stick them in the fridge. Like I said, cut them into squares. You can freeze them. You can wrap the squares with plastic wrap if you want to. Whatever you want to do. But there you go. Super easy. 3-ingredient, Whole30 compliant energy bars. It'll keep you full. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you know somebody who would benefit from this video, please send it to them. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel for more happy, healthy information. I'm Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.